By altering some small changes or events, we can observe huge transformation from children. We can't be able to dump anything to the children compulsorily. Nowadays, parents will deliver the answer as there is no chance to make good habits in children. When we ask, children below the age of 5 gaining habits 75% from what they are seeing around them and their surroundings. Hence, when a child will be in a good circumstance or surroundings within the age of 5, the child will develop with good qualities in future. Children will learn everything by what they are seeing around them compared to studying and learning. Hence, if one parent want his child to be developed with the good habits in the future, first of all thing is parent want to follow that habits. Nowadays, children are not respecting the elders. This complaint will surely propagate at many places. But here the main reason of the children to have these type of attitude is come from their parents only. If their parents will respect their fathers and mothers, if a husband and a wife mutually respect each other, if a father or mother speak politely in mobile or live, and if their parents speak politely to their servants, then only their children also follow that same pattern. If it has happened vice versa, then that reflection from children also come as what their parents proceeds. Another one main reason is before days there will be joint family, but now most of percentage has been nuclear family. So a child expect moral support from their father and mother, which normally that will get from his or her grandfather, grandmother, uncle or aunt, or of some of their relatives. So the child proportion of time spending of parents to the child want to be more. Not only spending time with the children's like dropping them and picking them from school and help to finishing homeworks, rather than that parents have to spend maximum 1 hour to speak or discuss from the day-to-day happenings to the child, making the child to join in the kindergarten in early stages is also the waste of thing, because the child will not learn the family values and social get together. This leads to develop an ego and anger in the child. If we spend maximum 1 hour with the child beyond school pickup and drop, homework completion, when the child reach teenage, they will share everything to us friendly and will be true to their parents. And whatever advices parents provide, the children will accept that at teenage. Within the age of 5, a child learns social values. Before that, they need to learn family values, then personal values. Family values means what family members are expecting from us. And a best example for social value is this is our home. In this home, we want to be like this only. We can't able to travel in car because our father having bike only. So this is enough for us. Like that attitude, the parents have to teach their children. And same time, if we develop the personal values like this, the children will take care themselves. For example, they will not scatter their material which belongs to them. They will neatly arrange and stack it out after they use. After learning of this personal value and family value, children's at or after the age of 5 will reach maturity to learn social values in school. In that case, their contact towards teachers and elders will be in a better way. If a child fails to learn these values, automatically the child follows the attitude of what teacher is doing and what his nearby child is doing. Means the child will not have individuality. Likewise, father and mother mutual relationship is very important. If father is in one attitude and mother is in another attitude, the child will support one, either father or mother, to fulfill his needings. Same ways, fighting before a child is also a big problem. For instance, if father scold a child on that time, mother scolds the father for that and console the child is also not a good attitude. If any one of them scolds, they have to make the child to understand for what reason they are scolding. One thing if is we want to grow our child on our own wish, first we have to create attitude according to that. Then we start to implement that to child, automatically child will grow according to the wish of their parents.